My name is Goran Milev and I am a producer of this documentary film. Directed by award-winning director Misha Tot, the Serbian American Museum is a documentary film due to begin shooting in June in Chicago and continuing in August 2014. Serbian American Museum, formerly known as the Serbian Cultural and Arts Center, was founded in 1952 in Chicago. Now, Serbian American Museum is a 501c3 not-for-profit organization and first Serbian museum in diaspora. In museum, we have Nikola Tesla's room. The room celebrates the life and work of Nikola Tesla, one of the greatest Serbian scientists and inventors. We're in need of donations to make this documentary film into reality. With a budget of $25,000, all donations will be gladly accepted, and all contributions are 100% tax deductible. We really need your help and support. This documentary film is not only for Chicago Serbs. This documentary film is for all Serbs in the whole world. Thank you for your help, and we're looking forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you.